Okay, guys, hello. Previously, we talked about the outlines of our course in this day one. One of the outline is Introduction to Python. Like I promised, I will be telling you everything you need to know about Python and Python programming and how to write a code. So first thing about programming, before you could go into any programming language, before you could learn anything about the programming language, you will need to know things about the programming language, like the introduction to it, like the fundamentals and everything about that particular language you want to go into and what you can actually use it for. So that's why I've actually take my time to list out the things you need to know about Python. So first of all, here is an introduction to Python. What is Python? What is Python? Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate systems more effectively. Learn more, get started. Whether you are new to programming or an experienced developer, it's easy to learn and use Python. Start with our beginners. Okay, so like I said, these are absolute beginners course where you'll be learning everything about Python. Next here is the founder or the developer, Gaudio van Rosen. It was founded on February 20th, 1991. So that was when Python was founded by Gideon van Rosen on February 20th, 1991. Python is a general purpose programming language. It's a general purpose programming language. You can use it basically for anything. Basically for anything. Python is used in varieties of fields like AI, machine learning, data structure, and data analysis and web development. Like I said, you can use it for generally for a general purpose. You can integrate it to your software, to your websites. Like you want to create a website like the Open AI we know right now is being programmed with Python. You can create a website and integrate the AI. So we use Python. You want to go into machine learning, your software, you want to integrate machine learning, you use Python, data structure, you use Python, data analysis, you use Python, and web development. And specifically for this web development, is used it for the back end development. And something about Python is that Python, you can actually use Python to call APIs. Yes. So let's go next. Let's also still on the introduction to Python. Python is the most trended programming language. It's the most trended programming language. Currently, now companies or brands all are using Python. All brands are using Python because it's the most trended programming language and it has a lot of functionalities. Yeah, Ken is easy and simple syntax, readable code. Yes, Python is very simple and it's easy and it has this easy syntax, not like JavaScript where you have to put the code like PHP, C plus, and the rest of that. No, Python is very easy and is highly recommended for beginners. If you're not jumping into the world of programming or you jump into the world of coding, I highly recommend you go for Python. You learn Python for because it's going to give you that basic understanding of programming and easy to read and easy to understand programming. And with Python, you write less code and get more. Compared to JavaScript, where you have to write a bunch of code just to get some output, but no, Python, you write just few lines of code and you get your results and you get more out of it. The next, Python is an interpreted, object-oriented programming and high-level programming language. Yes, Python is an interpreted programming language, not like PHP. This is a compiled language. Python, uh, Python machine interprets your code from beginning, from the up to the down. That's what it means. And it's a high language, it's a high level language which you can use to solve so many things. Like you can use it to solve like the objects and the rest of that. Yeah, the rest of that. So something you need to know about Python is just it interprets your code. Like I said before now, you write less code and you get more. So that's what Python is all about. It interprets your code for you, not like JavaScript and PHP that are compiled language. Okay, Python can be used to create any type of software or website, be it a mobile application, desktop application, website, yeah, anything at all, like websites or any software at all. Python can do that. So it's a wide range of software or programming language you can use. Python have powerful libraries to work with varieties of different fields. Yeah, talking about libraries, Python has powerful libraries, powerful libraries which you can work with, like mathematics, engineering, data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Yes, Python has all of this, which can actually come in handy for you if you want to offer like you're being hired by an engineering company and you're thinking about the data structure and the rest of that. Python can come in handy for you, and artificial intelligence and machine learning. So that's the reason why you actually need to learn Python. That's why you need to learn Python. So that's that. That's how we tell you about the scopes and